My dear students, it is given that in a hydrogen-like atom, energy required to excite the electron from its first excited state to second excited state is 7.55 electron volt. We know the formula E equal to 13.6 into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. For first excited state N1 equal to 2 and for second excited state N2 will be 3 and corresponding energy is 7.55 electron volt. Put this value E equal to 7.55 electron volt. This is equal to 13.6 into Z square into 1 upon N1. First excited state value of N1 is 2, then 2 square minus. For second excited state value of N2 is 3, then this will be 3 square. On solving this we get 7.55 equal to 13.6 Z square into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. This will be equal to 7.55 equal to 13.6 into Z square into 5 by 36. On solving this we get 13.6 into Z square. We can find the value of 13.6 into Z square equal to 7.55 into 36 by 5 and its value will be equal to 54.36 electron volt. Now according to question we have to find out the energy required to remove the electron from its ground state. If you want to remove the electron from ground state, then just move the electron from n equal to 1 to n equal to infinity and corresponding energy will be given by E dash equal to 13.6 into Z square into 1 by N1 square. For ground state N1 is 1 minus we have to move the electron from n equal to 1 to n equal to infinity, then N2 will be infinite square. On solving this its value is equal to 13.6 into Z square. This is 1 minus this is 0. This will be 1. So this energy required is 13.6 into Z square and from here 13.6 into Z square equal to 54.36. Then this value will be equal to 54.36 electron volt. Hence final answer is 54.36 electron volt. Thank you.